Happy morning, student. Today we are going to learn how to make kite as Makar Sankranti is coming, and it is a traditional when the Makar Sankranti is there, we fly the kite. So we will learn how to make the kite. So in Gujarat there is a kite competition also. I'm going to show you very simple one, and let's start. What we need? I need a kite paper. I have taken a square. How big you want your kite, you have to take as it is for the size. I have taken two triangles. According to the square, I have taken the triangles. You can make two colors also. That also I will show you. See, this is your thing. Just this way, your kite is ready. Okay. What you can do, if you want this colorful, I'm going to cut this and I will stick it and I will make it two colors. How? See, I had already cut this. I'm going to join this way. Okay. So I will get two colors, or just now what I had shown you this way. So choice is yours. So I'm going to show you this way. I had already shown you how to join the thing and you can make two colors of the kite this way. Chalo, let's start. For this, see, this is a coconut leaves. This is one dry one because I want dry one. I'm just going to show you for this. Can you see this line? I want this line. See, after getting this, I had got the dry one because dry one is very stiff. See, it's very easy to remove. You can remove with the hand also. See, just this way. This way. So I had already removed the sticks. I need a stick. First, before we stick this, what we are going to do, take the sticks and first make this border. See, this way. Stick this way all over. Okay, just I will show you. You can use sellotape also for this. This way. First make a curve and wrap this. Wait for the sticking. Okay, the extra thing I'm going to cut it. Now stick all over the thing, so it will be very stiff also and it look nice also. Take another stick. Okay, first only I'm going to break it. Now after this, first now you can stick the kite and then we will go for the stick this and then the whole thing till the end we have to stick the. Here I'm going to use a tape now. You can stick with the glue also, but for the safety what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply, so that will be, so I'm not going I no need to hold the whole thing. See, it will take time to dry, so I'm going to apply the tape. 1, 2 and 3, or in the center this portion also. That's all. Not too much of tape we need, just to secure it. Already we had put in the Fevicol also to the stick. This is for just a safety. So now for decoration, we can just add some circles or any shape. See, for decoration, I had cut some kite paper. See, this way. Some triangle. Kite paper is very delicate, so when you are doing, please try and handle it very carefully. It get tear also very easily. Okay, we will decorate this also. See, this way we can decorate, and it is your choice how to decorate. Now I had cut some strip from the kite paper only to make the tail. So just turning around and I'm going to stick this tail here. Okay, you can make long, how much long you want, you can make it. I'm just going to show you a very simple way. Okay, I'm going to just add some, just to decorate the thing, I'm going to add this way some triangles. The tail is ready and your kite is also ready. See now how it's going to look it. Is it pretty? Yes, nice. So you are going to try the, it is so easy, right? So try out, click your photo and send to me. Till then, take care, bye, and happy Makar Sankranti to all.